Hey guys, locally lost Lapidary. Got some Red Jasper for you today. We are going to cab this specific piece out. It has a really deep red tone to it, and I just love the black swirl. I like the combo of red and black. It looks really good. I'm gonna keep this as my face, cut off this back little piece, and just make a nice small cabochon for jewelry. All right, let's get started on this. Let me cut this first with my Harbor Freight tile saw. Let's see how good of a cut we get. All right, and this is what I got. There was a fracture, I think, on this side or this side. It kind of just pulled off a line of it. I'll take it. Still gonna look good. So just round up the edges, take that point away, and make a nice healthy cab out of that. Let's get to work. All right guys, here we are. Got this baby ready to go. Gonna make a traditional cab here. Got the 80 grit diamond disc from Amazon. Let's go. Tear this thing onto about a 2. And I'm just gonna round my edges. Okay, a little harder material. I'm saying that because I just cut a lapis lazuli, so of course this is gonna feel way harder. So you see what shape we're going for here. Let's hit up the time lapse. And here we are. Nice shape to it. Digging it. This Amazon 80 grit wheel has been doing really well. I've really been producing some nice quality grindage. All right, on to the HiTech Diamond 180 disc. Done with the 180. Beautiful, beautiful shape. I'm kind of glad the rock fractured off like that because I'm really digging this teardrop cab. Oh yeah. Gonna electroform the sides like usual and keep it just like that. Let's go to the 300. 300 got it smoothed out a little bit. Still a couple bumps here and there. But look at this before. And now we're gonna do the silicon carbide bath with the EV foam and the 500 grit silicon carbide loose media. Check it out. Check it out. Looking good. Flew off my hot glue stick. Yeah, whenever you dop with hot glue, you want to let it dry for at least 30 minutes, if not overnight. I didn't. I probably gave it like 5 minutes. So I just hit one bad angle and it flew off. But look at that shine. I'm covered in silicon carbide. I need to go wash off. Works every time though. Every time. All right, let me clean this up and we'll get to the polishing pads. $325 done. It's looking good. I went inside when I washed the splash guard here. My fiance was making some chicken and I showed her this and she was like, "Is that really Red Jasper?" I said, "Yes." She goes, "I thought I didn't like Red Jasper." I was like, "Oh, you like it now, don't you?" Pretty stone. Already changing lives, my little Jasper Cabochon. Alright, throw it on the 600 here. And let's get busy. $600 done. Got a good shine to it. Look at that. You just gotta love that contrasting red and black. Beautiful cab. All right, on to the 1200. Oh yeah, look at that, completely dry and just gleaming. Time for some good old cerium oxide. Red Jasper cab complete. Look at that. It's perfect. When I put the electroplating on here, it's gonna really set it off. It's gonna be all on the sides right there. Looks like a little gnome. So cool. All right, guys. Locally lost lapidary. Have a good day or good night. Make sure to subscribe. uploading new content daily. Still a new channel in its infancy, but I'm never gonna stop. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. See you next time. I'm out.